Okay, boys and girls, the next one we are doing is going to be solving equations with square roots in them. So the one on your study packet was this. Oh, I want it black. There we go. Okay, so again, just like our absolute value equations, we cannot start to square both sides until we have everything separated. We have the square root on one side and the numbers and everything that's not in the square root on the other side. So I'm going to square both sides to get rid of the square root. So this gets rid of that. So on the right side, I'm left with 2x minus 5 equals. Now please do not make the mistake. This does not equal x squared minus 16. No way. This is x minus 4 times x minus 4. Then when I distribute this out, I get x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. So when I combine everything, I'm left with, let me move this over, x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, so from here, I still cannot do anything. I need to still combine all my terms. So I'm going to put this 2x over here by subtracting it from both sides. You get x squared minus 10x plus 16 equals negative 5. And again, same thing. Get everything together. Add 5. X squared minus 10x plus 21 equals 0. So now that my quadratic equals 0, I can then solve it. Again, the quadratic formula will always work. But I can look at this and see that this is going to be one I can easily factor. So x, make it this, and then multiply to get positive 21, combine to get negative 10. That would be a negative 7 and a negative 3. The two negatives will give me a positive 21 when I multiply, and a negative 10 when I add them together. Okay, so again, now to solve, it would be x minus 7 equals 0, and then x minus 3 equals 0. Add 7 to both sides. X equals 7. Add 3 to both sides. X equals 3. Those are my two answers. Unfortunately, we are not done yet when we do square roots. We need to plug these back in and see if there are any solutions that do not work. So our original equation was x minus 4 equals square root of 2x minus 5. Okay, so I'll put the 7 in first. So the 7 minus 4 equals the square root of 2 times 7 minus 5. This will give you 3 equals the square root of 14 minus 5. 3 equals the square root of 9. And 3 does equal 3. 7 works. We are good. The next one would be our 3. Do that one in blue. So it would be 3 minus 4 equals the square root of 2x, oh, x should be 3, times 3 minus 5. Right off the bat, when I do the left side, I get negative 1, and I know that when I square root something, I will not get a negative answer. It could be complex, but it will never be negative. So right now, I know that this does not work, but I'm going to finish it anyways. So this would be 6 minus 5. Then it'll be negative 1 equals square root of 1. And that equals negative 1 equals 1, which is not true. So 3 does not work. So my only solution to this problem is x equals 7. Make sure you check for your solutions tomorrow to see which one works and which one does not.